Mr. Millennial Mike has found a cool story about a 27-year-old who has become a millionaire, and he wanted me to watch it and react. So, Mike, what do you got?
You know, there's a lot of people out there who post about how they became a millionaire at 21 or 22, and usually they're selling fake, scammy, guru-y courses on like cryptocurrency. And honestly, I think that they're just obnoxious. But every now and then you see somebody who you're like, this guy is smart and he has a great story and he should be celebrated. So I think you're going to like his story. This guy definitely took a unique route to get there. So let's check it out.
I became a millionaire at age 27, and this is exactly how I did it. Well, the first thing I did was I graduated college at age 22 and became a home inspector, making 40 grand a year. So during that time, I leveraged my W-2 income that I had to house hack twice, 2 duplexes, lived in one unit, and rented out the other. So being a home inspector, I mastered construction, and it also allowed me to network with the big players around town, all at the same time learning how to invest in real estate. So then I fell in love with the idea of wholesaling real estate, and since that day, we've made 7 figures, all wholesaling real estate. And over the last 3 years, we've used that income that we've gotten from wholesaling to dump it into rental properties and have accumulated a $15 million portfolio. So this all happened because I mastered a skill and became obsessed with changing my life. So if I can go from making 40 grand a year at age 24 to being a millionaire by age 27, so can you. So follow me.
Wow.
Pretty inspiring story. So what do you think some key takeaways there were?
Well, again, I think he once again shows us the cheat code to wealth is house hacking. It just accelerates and turbocharges the process.
Mhm.
It shows you the importance of networking around bigger and growing your influence. It shows you that you can skill up in different areas. It probably the most important thing is what he said there near the end is he generated more income, but he dumped it into real estate. He didn't flash, he didn't dash, he didn't buy a car, he didn't do this, he didn't do that. He just dumped it all into a $15 million portfolio. So that's an amazing story. I think it's again shows you that the future is bright for the folks that want to give it a go. 40 grand a year, house hack, save money, do it again. Relentlessly work on your craft, network with providers. Could you do it in 3 years? Probably most of you can't, but could you do it in 6 or 8, 10? It's certainly better than working 40 hours for 40 years to live on 40%. So I love that story. It's a wonderful story. Thank you for sharing it.
Yeah, I think that the biggest takeaway for me, something that I learned from you when we had our very first conversation 4.5 years ago, and you were like, you have to network more. You have to network more. And everything in life is about who you know. So you need to know as many people as you can. And to me, when I heard him say, I became a home inspector, well, I have all of my stuff inspected. So does every other investor that I know. This guy was constantly around extremely high speed real estate people and was smart enough to say, maybe I should start offering these guys a discount if they'll give me some of their time for coffee. And I guarantee that's what he did. And that's
Absolutely.
brilliant. So smart. So anyways,
Yeah.
I thought it was a great story. Hopefully the people out there like it. Again, if you guys have videos you want us to react to, please send them our way. We will get them queued up for Mike and I to discuss, chat, whatever you want. So Mike, we have one more, and it's about the dumbest wholesaler I've ever heard of.